Hello everyone, I welcome you here again. So today we have Miss Ritu Raj with us. So welcome Ritu.
Thanks, Puneet.
So currently Ritu is doing a PhD in HRM from IIM Ahmedabad. So we want to start with your academic background. Please tell us.
Yeah. I did my 10th from Patna, Bihar, from St. Joseph's Convent High School. Then I went on to do my 12th from there itself in St. Michael's High School. Post that, I went on to do my economics honors from Hansraj College in Delhi University. Uh, Without any work experience, I further proceeded to do my MBA from IIM Indore in general management. Post that, I have 1 year of work with Cognizant Technology Solutions as a business development consultant. And right after around 15 months of work experience, I shifted to pursue my PhD at IIM Ahmedabad in the HRM area.
Okay,
So
that's
that's
wonderful.
my academy.
Yeah, that's wonderful.
Thank
So
you.
have you decided any particular topic or any on which you want
Uh,
to do your research?
the dissertation research question for me is not yet decided. However, I've almost zeroed down to the research area that I want to follow for my dissertation.
Okay, do you want to share something how to find out a research topic, how a research scholar should follow the process to come down to the research topic?
Definitely. How the course at IIM Ahmedabad is designed is that you get first 2 years as an academic learning course where you have multiple PhD courses. So the PhD courses are a little bit differently designed in terms of how the courses are conducted from the MBA courses that are done at IIM Ahmedabad. So you have seminar courses where you study a lot of papers and you go and present them in class. You have a particular topic decided for each class. So based on that, you prepare the literature around that topic and you go to a class. The courses that you select, generally they are based on the requirement that you, for example, for me as an HRM professional or an HRM faculty later on, what is the requirement for me? Based on those requirements, the courses are selected. Also, you have further choice about the research area that you want to pursue into. For example, for me, I'm lot more interested into digital transformation and future of work. So the courses that I took were related to more of around leading digital transformation. What is the future of work? Where you have a lot of research done in that area, those papers are covered. So what we do is the first 2 years we utilize into understanding on a broader ground the research area that you want to get into, so that you have a basic idea of where the research exists in that now in that area right now, what has the past been like, and what, how can you contribute in the future. To arrive at a research question, you get that basic background in your academic learning. Post that, you start doing literature based on the literature that you have learned. You start going into the field and witnessing things, how are they coming into picture in the management domain, in real life scenarios, what exactly happens, and how can you fill certain gaps in terms of both practice and literature. So the approach that I took was to understand the literature, go to the field where you witness those things in, where you witness that phenomena in reality, and finally deciding that how can you contribute to that field, and deciding the research question finally. So this is the approach that I would suggest.
Okay, okay, very nice. So most of the scholars during their PhD journey, they apply for journals. They do their research. They prepare a paper. They aim to publish their research work. So do you want to share
Yes.
something how to find out a journal or how to write an article? Anything?
Definitely. Again, based on your research interest, you will find that every area has certain top journals that people target. When you have, thought about the research question that you want to get into, or how you want to contribute to literature, you try to match that with the research journals that cater to your research area. For example, when I'm talking about future of work, there will be around 10 to 12 journals who are recently publishing a lot in that domain. So
Okay.
you would want to target those domains,
Okay.
the researchers who are editors in those journals, because that increases your probability to get published over there. There are people who are interested in your area of research. So that is how you kind of filter a list of certain journals that you want to target first. Now, again, as you must be aware, there are different grades of journals. We have A star journals, we have B, we have C. So, based on your paper, the content that you have created and where you want to target, you accordingly fit them probably a level above your expectation, because you cannot, go through the process at multiple journal at one time.
Right.
So you would, rather target an A star, and when you get rejected also you get a lot of feedback, so that helps to improve the quality of your paper. So for example, you targeted an A star and you got a lot of feedback. It is very good if you get accepted, but I'm sorry to say, PhD journey is not that, rewarding at times, and you often get a lot of rejections. But with those rejections you will get a lot of feedback which will help improve your paper. And then post the process in that journal ends, if you are rejected, you can further try to other journals in your the filtered category which you created of 10 journals. You can keep targeting in those. It is a long process, it takes a lot of time, but I think that, a structured approach towards targeting journals which are catering to your research interest would help you a lot in terms of getting published.
Yes, that's very true. Thank you for sharing that. A lot of scholars are looking to network. So, is there any proven success method how to network with other scholars who are into same interest or in the same area? Usually, what kind of
Yeah.
procedure or what are steps somebody should follow for the networking?
Definitely. So, there are multiple ways in which you can actually. So, the first one is we often target a lot of conferences. So, even in India, when you see most of the management colleges, they have their own conferences which are being conducted. So, if again, I am taking the example of future of work for me, or so that it just gives reference into what
Right,
I'm trying
right.
to say.
Yes.
It could be your field of interest for you. So, for example, you are interested in future of work, and a college is having a conference which does target certain audience related to other researchers who are also interested in future of work. So, you would want to attend those conferences where you can interact with like-minded people. It will help you also understand what currently is going on and what are people looking forward to. It will help you enhance your knowledge about, often your view about your research topic could be very narrow, or it could have certain loopholes which you as an author, because it's your baby, you might not able to see that, which the others will highlight it for you. So
Right.
conferences are one way. Other very easy methods are, when you see there are a lot of WhatsApp groups which we have. So we have one group which caters to all over India's HRM scholars.
Okay.
So within those groups, if you raise this question, is someone else interested in future of work, you will get a lot of people who are like-minded people who will come up, and you can further discuss it with those. Also through professors, I feel. So my advisor is working with other people in other institutes as well. So be it other faculty from different IIMs, be it other students or PhD scholars who have passed or even currently pursuing their PhD, be it those scholars. Through your advisor as well, you can try to form that loop where you get into touch with those people. So I think these are certain ways in which you can build a network of like-minded.
Okay. Thank you so much for sharing that. It was really informative. Is there anything else which you want to share with all of the viewers?
Yeah, so when it comes to PhD students, I would just like to say that you are doing great right now, and it takes a lot of time to. It is a a journey which tests your patience and perseverance. So just hang on there. We are all fighting, and we'll one day we will reach there where you will get what you are aiming at. So that's it.
Okay. Thank you, Ritu. Thank you for sharing your time and experience with all of us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and all the best to everyone.
Thank you.